We wish to be with our family
and get a lot of presents.
and we celebrate the Jesus birthday.
I wish all my class a good Christmas and enjoy with my family. I play with my friends and have a fun Christmas.
I wish a happy Christmas with my family.
I wish for all people love, peace, and a very good Christmas.
We wish we stay with our family, celebrate the Christmas spirit, and sing traditional songs.
We wish for this Christmas love it with all
Families and put the food on the table.
We wish that Christmas be magical and that has a lot of happiness in the world.
We wish to enjoy the vacations of Christmas
With my family and friends.
We wish I enjoy Christmas and a happy holidays with your families and peace and respect to all the world.
We wish to have an earth not polluted.
I wish to be a happy new year with my family and have many presents.
I wish I had a very good time at Ireland with my family. I wish to have a happy new year and have many presents.
I wish for every person in the world the peace and the love, and I want for my family a good Christmas time.
We wish in the world many persons have a happy Christmas dinner. We wish peace for all persons of the earth.
I wish to have happy Christmas and with my family
And my friends.
We wish that this Christmas
All families find happiness.